Tatawagin mo si Ma'am, tatawagin mo si Jean, tatawagin mo si DA, one-on-one. Bibigay ko ang idea ko, pag-uusapan natin. Mabilis. Kailangan mabilis ang aksyon. Kasi po, kahit may vision, kahit may passion, kung walang decision, decisive dapat ang leader. Decisive dapat ang leader. Sa walong buwan, panunungkulan po ng inyong Pangulo, yung tatlo pong ito, ang sandigan niya. Ito po, ang dahilan kung bakit mabilis po na nagagawa ang mga trabaho. Dati po, walang makakapunta sa beach area. Ang dumi-dumi na. Kasi yung kawayan na bridge, huwis buhay. Ang tawag nga nila doon, Mama Sapalo Bridge. Santisima. Sabi ko, gusto natin manghikaya ng mga mamumuhunan, pero yung mga empleyado, nagsisiksikan sa dalawang villa sa tatlong makeshift office spaces gawa sa container van, at itong admin building sira at nasa control ng isang locator. Walang matinong mamumuhunan ang pupunta sa APECO. Kung pagdating dito, walang opisinang makikita.
Rise and shine. Good morning mga katribo. I'm here at Kasiguran, Quezon, at the vicinity of APECO, Aurora Pacific Economic Zone, which will have their inauguration of different facilities, modern facilities they initiated to improve here at the APECO Mercato, where they would be inaugurating the boat cafe somewhere over there. And that's the cove, the so-called Kasiguran Cove. Here they have a public area where everyone could take their night out with cottages facing the beach. And that's where one of the places to be inaugurated this morning, the cafe, boat cafe. Lag. That's the boat cafe. Here in Aurora Pacific Economic Zone, they say the sun never sets because it's always rise. We're now waiting for the sun to rise. This is a man-made passage, river passage. Salt water po yan, merging, and here is the supposed boat cafe. And that's the beach. And the sun is about to rise at around over 5:30 in the morning. We got 20 pesos there. There, there are already local tourists enjoying the early morning breeze. Going to cross a man-made bridge. That's where local tourists see folks can enjoy. Some have set a bonfire last night. That's where the sun rises. The sun, although brown, is so soft.